Yes, a very good morning, everyone. My name is Surendra Verma, and I am the course instructor for 2022 Complete SQL Bootcamp from Zero to Hero in SQL. So, quickly go through my profile once. Okay, so I'm the winner of Best Teacher Award. I'm the winner of Young Achiever Award, and also I have 14 plus years of work experience. My qualification is bachelor's in computer science, master's in computer science, and currently pursuing also PhD from computer science. Okay, and overall, in my work experience, I have gone through various roles like software engineer, associate professor, researcher, technical trainer, senior technical trainer, technical head, academic head, and I'm currently working as senior program manager in an edtech company. And I've already trained over 1 lakh students in my career. Like these students are currently working with big MNCs like Amazon, Infosys, Wipro, TCS, like this, and I've already given guest lectures in the premium institutes like triple ITs in India. Okay. And apart from this, I also give online training to students who are located in various countries like United States, Canada, UAE, like this. And I have ranked in top 5% in cracking the Amazon coding assessment. So in Udemy, I've got students from different countries, like almost 150 countries. Okay. So let us quickly go through the curriculum that I have designed in 2022 Complete SQL Bootcamp. Okay. So let me expand all the sections here. And you can see first chapter is DDL commands. So mainly data definition language related commands are clearly explained here. And in the second chapter, that is DML commands. So as everybody knows, these are all basics in SQL, like DDL commands and DML commands are basic commands in order to construct the table and all, right. And now next, coming to the third chapter, this is data querying. So in this data querying, I have explained different commands and clauses like select command, where command, okay, like, between, not between, so order by, group by, having, and also apart from this, I have prepared a hands-on working with customers table. And later practice task 1 on data querying, practice task 2, practice task 3, like this. So coming to the next chapter, it is set operations and views in SQL. So this chapter basically contains what set operations that you can perform while writing SQL queries and also working with views. Okay. And the next chapter is working with subqueries. How can you write a subquery with the help of select statement, update statement, delete statement, like this? And then coming to joins in SQL. Joins is very important in SQL. Okay. So whenever you want to work with multiple tables, you have to perform this join operations, right? So here I have explained inner join, outer joins. Okay, outer joins includes left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Okay, and also I have taken a couple of practice tasks which involves this join operations in SQL. Okay, and then working with sailors database. So if you observe this chapter, so I have considered the sailors database and started writing SQL queries for questions which are asked on sailors database. So you can see these are all different questions on sailors database. So for every question, I have clearly made a video to explain so how to write solution or SQL query for them. And also I have given a practice task on sailors database. Then comes the assignment section. You can see in this assignment section, you will observe teacher database. This is one assignment. Okay. Second assignment is hospital database. Third assignment is garments and fabric database. And fourth assignment contains airline flight information database, and also for every assignments, clearly the SQL queries are asked. Okay, so you need to write on your own, first thing. And then employee works in department database, and then works on database, and followed by there is a final assignment. Okay, so after you cracking all these assignments, there is one more final assignment. And if you look at the last chapter, it is final test in SQL, where you will see MCQs, multiple choice questions. So that will clearly tells the clear understanding of the student, how he has gone through all the videos and solving assignments. So this exam will be very helpful to cross check your knowledge on this particular SQL course. Okay, so all you need to do is just go to cart and add this course to your cart. Okay, so all the best, happy learning, bye bye.